How to update your IMO app. Is your IMO app feeling a little bit sluggish, or are you missing out the latest feature? Let's fix that. Keeping your app updated is key for the security, bug fixes, and getting all the cool new stuff. It's only take a moment. Ready to follow along? First, as I'm using Android, I'm going to Google Play Store, and if you are using an iPhone, you have to go to App Store. So as I said earlier, I'm using Android. Let's go to Play Store. It's right over here. Let's tap on it. And now what you have to do is simply tap on the profile picture, which is in top right corner. It's right over here. And there you can see an option called Manage App and Devices. Simply give it a tap. And there you will see an option called Updates Available. Simply tap on it and go through the list. So you can't see an option for IMO update. That means I'm using the latest version of IMO right over here. And if in the case you find an option for the IMO right over here, what you have to do is simply tap on the update, which is right over here just beside the app. Give it a tap and your app will be updated. And that's it. Your IMO app is now fresh, updated, and ready to go. Enjoy a smoother and more secure connection with your friends and family. That's all for today's video, and if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.